this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from MEXC to Bybit. So first up, after you open up your mobile phone, now go to your Bybit app. After you go to your Bybit app like this, so the first thing to do, now you tap on this add deposit button. So go to this on-chain deposit or deposit crypto. So from this option, now you go ahead now and search for USDT at the top. USDT. After you search for USDT, so now select it. Here is it. So from this option, now you tap on this cancel button, or you tap on this option. As you can see, here is it now, network. After you tap on the network, now select the network you want to use. For this one, I want to use this PSC network. After you select the network, so the first thing to do, now you tap on this option. Now swipe this one to right. Confirm. So after you confirm, you tap on this copy button or this one. So now I copy the address. After you copy the address, so now you close your Bybit. After you close the Bybit, now go and open the MEXC. So after you open the MEXC like this, so the next thing to do, now you tap on this asset button at the bottom. So now after you select the asset like this, so you tap on this withdraw button. After you select the withdraw, so from the option you'll be able to see this USDT, or you just go and search for the USDT at the top. So for me, here is it now. I'll select the USDT. After you select the USDT, now select this one, on-chain withdrawal. So from this option, now tap on this confirm. After you confirm this, now tap on this confirm again. So from this option, now you paste in the address you copy. So press and hold and enter. Paste. So after you paste in the address in this option, so the next thing, now scroll to down and select network. So I'll select this BSC network. That's the network that I selected from the Bybit. So after you select the network like this, so now we specify the amount. So I'll just tap on this option now, enter withdrawal liquidity. So select this one. So now enter the amount you want to withdraw. So let's say I want to withdraw, let's say 200 USDT. After you type in the amount you want to withdraw, if you have the amount on your MEXC account, it will not give you this insufficient balance. Because now I don't have the amount, that's why I get this insufficient error. So the next thing to do, if you have the amount, just tap on this confirm button. It will give you this confirm button available for you. So after you tap on the confirm, so from there it will withdraw your USDT into your Bybit account. So if you go back to your Bybit, if you want to see the USDT you receive from the MEXC, just open the Bybit like this. So if the USDT that you send from the MEXC has arrived into your Bybit account, you'll be able to see the balance from this option. Or if you go to this asset at the bottom, so under the asset, here you'll be able now to see, if you go to asset again, so here you'll be able now to see the USDT appeared in this option with the exact amount that you sent from the MEXC. And that's it, guys, on how to transfer USDT from MEXC to Bybit. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe.